This clementine is lot $395. It is priced at $409.
Not finished, so it's still a little rough, but
That's okay.
it's really pretty.
Oh, you have the flooring in, so that's good.
That's a good thing. It's a real pretty floor, too.
Yeah, this one was just rough.
These are gorgeous cabinets.
And then you can actually see the garage.
Yeah.
I like the brown with the black.
Yeah. These are gorgeous.
That's a sharp look. And then quartz countertop.
Yeah. Yeah, they're all gorgeous. Here's the list. So we saw this guy here. And then this was the living one. That was just like that. And so that's first and second house. This one's been popular because it's a big loft. But the other one's been popular because it's more bedrooms. So you can use that extra space. So they discounted, to 420 from 430. Yeah, so it's a great way to go.
But for $409,
Yeah, that too.
you can't, I mean,
Here's this. We've got this from Texas.